mixing of this ethanol in our petrol, bro.
I'm a auto enthusiast. I have done automotive engineering purely because I love all these machines. It was clearly mentioned for 1 liter of ethanol, 2,200 liters of water has to be, consumed or spent.
Okay, to make 1 liter of ethanol, it's like you need 2,200 liters of fresh water.
Now they are after the diesel vehicle. So I run a diesel vehicle.
Yeah, they are trying to mix isobutanol in diesel, right?
Yes, 15% coming to do it by the end of this year.
Okay, what's isobutanol? Is it a form of ethanol?
It's not a form of ethanol. It is a biofuel that is developed. Like we did certain experiments in our engineering times. And there are other reports who say that if you are making the same ethanol using, if not sugarcane, if you're using rice or maize, then in that case the amount goes to 10,000 liters.
10,000. Wow.
He had filed a 50 crore defamation lawsuit on an Instagram influencer just for saying that he's funding his son's company, Sian Agro, and there's for 1 liter of ethanol.
Okay.
So if we just stick to the Niti Aayog report, which is a government body,
Okay.
the moment it catched the controversy and everyone started talking about it, they forced people in the Niti Aayog, and all of a sudden the report had that thing amended. So that entire section where it was mentioned that 1 liter of ethanol requires 2,200 liters of water, that entire section is removed. So they think that people of this country are stupid. I think yes, most of the people in this country are stupid. That is why these kind of ministers are ruining this entire country. And what this guy is doing is blending all of this without any testing. Somebody from Goa, I forgot his name, he filed an RTI, and the ARA responded saying that it is a secret, we cannot reveal. The only thing that he asked for, like, what were the tests you have done for E20, and to which vehicle you have done these tests. So the government had no answer because they haven't done any test. And same goes for E30 and E85, which they are trying to enforce to all of the citizens. And what they have done is in the Niti Aayog report, initially when it was published, he's not Nitin Gadkari, he's Nitin Gadbadi. So he's an egoist person. He's a pure egoist and a narcissist, and I will also call him a sadist. But the thing is, like, if you put any accusations on him, he'll put there was this recent event where another one for the other son. So these guys are very egoist, first of all, and they do not care about the common 1.5 billion people of this country. They have taken all of us for granted, and they have already divided us. So that's the thing. And what he's doing purely for his sons, bro. He's the best father to his sons, but at the same time